Hello everyone and welcome to Inspired by a Smile. My name is Christy and I wanted to show you that there is a very much easier way of doing the magic circle after seeing how it is actually done. I've never done it the other way and I want to show you how I do it. It's really easy. So if you have a crochet hook and some yarn, it doesn't matter what size, but bigger is usually better for beginners just for practicing. So just grab your hook and yarn and let's get started. So I'm using a 4mm for this, just to do the example here, and some red yarn. So the first one I'm going to do is a chain of 5. Now I do usually the chain of 5 for say a granny square because it usually has more stitches, right? So in that first one, so 5. And then you're going to slip stitch in the end. And then you slip stitch, and that's your circle. I'll show you for an example here. Right in the middle of it, I'm just going to do a half double crochet for a few stitches here just to show you. And see, I'm taking the yarn and I'm yarning over it, that little annoying little piece. And at the end you can pull that tighter, okay? It's really easy and less complicated. So just like that, and you just do as many stitches as you need for your magic circle. I'll show you in a second as well again. I do make the chain smaller for hats and stuff, and sometimes I even do a chain of 3 for really small items depending what I'm making, but chain of 4 is great for hats. Unless, of course, I believe you're doing the adult hat. And then I usually do a 5 because men's hats are usually bigger as well. And I do them a certain way. I'll also possibly have another tutorial for that. So here's a chain of 4, and then slip stitch in the end of it, and there's your circle again. And just slip stitch, and I'm going to do a couple stitches in there to show you. Half double crochet, make sure you grab that little piece of yarn and crochet over it so you can pull it tight at the end. And it's a lot more sturdier, I find. Very awesome, guys. Good job.